Buongiorno ragazzi! Another day in paradise. We're here in Miami and today again we're gonna revisit the carbonara. Today we're gonna do spaghetti alla carbonara with a great guanciale. The ingredient for today, the king, the guanciale. You know, if you don't find it guys, use pancetta, maybe bacon, but honestly, you need to use the guanciale. Find it online, you're gonna find it. Then we have eggs, nice good eggs. Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, nice black pepper, and of course, the spaghetti that we're gonna use today, okay? Let's go. So let's start with cutting the guanciale. You have to remove all the pepper here, okay? I already previously removed. Then what you do, you remove the skin. This is cannot eat this, but be careful, keep the fat. Now you're gonna slice it like that. Okay, you see the pieces like this? There we go. You see how much fat it has? This is good, this is really good. You know, when you fry it, it becomes like a potato chips. Per person, 3 ounces. This is good for 1 person. Cut it in 2 also, little cube like that. All right, like that, beautiful. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now I'm gonna take the guanciale and we're gonna put it in the pan like that, beautiful. And we're gonna let it cook at a really high temperature at the beginning. Then we're gonna lower down the temperature and we're gonna make it really crispy and juicy inside. While our guanciale is slowly cooking, we're gonna take the pasta and we're gonna put it in the water. Like a couple of spoons of salt, and we're going to taste this. Ocean, beautiful. Mwah. And then we're gonna take about, you see, like a bunch of like this spaghetti. This is about 150 grams. This is how I like a big plate of pasta. And we're gonna put this inside like that, okay? And we're gonna count about 10 minutes for this pasta. But read the labels on your package. Read the label on your package. Leave it like maybe 1 minute less than what the label says, okay? Now we're gonna go back to the guanciale and I have it at high heat. Now I'm gonna lower the heat. I'm gonna lower the heat and I'm gonna let the guanciale cook on his own fat, okay? I love a nice carbonara, it's beautiful. Our guanciale is slowly cooking, slowly cooking. Then we're gonna take the eggs. I'm gonna do 2 egg yolks per person, all right? 1 and 2, perfect. Shave some Parmigiano and some Pecorino inside our mixture. And we're gonna create the famous carbo cream. Why do I use Parmigiano Reggiano? Okay, usually use only Pecorino Romano, but Pecorino is very, very strong, very salty. So for me, a nice blend is perfect. Some Pecorino Romano crosta nera, okay? Not a lot, I don't put a lot of Pecorino, it's too strong, but I do like the kick that it gives to the pasta. And now we're gonna create a cream. You see this? See this? What we're gonna do, we're gonna warm it up on top of this. And this is important, you use a metal bowl. This is very important process, guys. You don't want to cook the eggs, just want to warm it up. Okay, like that. So our eggs are now ready, look at this. And I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper to our carbo cream. All right, look. Sí, te entiendo muy bien. Our guanciale is finally ready, guys. It's amazing. So we're gonna move the guanciale. And this is how we do it at a restaurant. This is what we do at Borti Pasta Bar. We don't skip any of this step. Okay, this is why our pasta is the best in Miami. Nobody does it like this, nobody. So how you tell this is good? You know, when you eat it, it's really crispy outside, but inside it's very tender and juicy, like almost like a French fry. Mwah. Buonissimo. We have the oil of the guanciale. And now, the magic, we're gonna put this inside there. Our pasta is ready. I'm gonna move the pasta here. Woo. And this is bing, boom, bang. So we want the fat of the guanciale go inside the pasta, okay? We warm up a little bit and then we turn it off. We leave it there for a few seconds, okay? I'm gonna do one little thing. I'm gonna put some of this inside already here, okay? Put all the pasta inside the carbo crema, okay guys? And we're gonna move this. If the whole mixture is too dry, add a little bit of the cooking water, okay? If it's too wet, we're gonna add more Parmesan. This is our carbonara. A little bit of Parmigiano on top. Black pepper, a lot of black pepper. I love a lot of black pepper on my carbonara. The guanciale, the crispy guanciale right there. Look how beautiful it is. And this is our carbonara, guys. This is our best carbonara, the best selling plate that we have here at Borti Pasta. Spaghetti carbonara for today's recipe. Crispy guanciale, spaghetti and eggs, Pecorino Romano, and Parmigiano Reggiano. This is easy pasta to make at home. If you don't have the guanciale, again, you can use the pancetta. You can use, if you have to, the bacon. But trying to find the guanciale. Amazing. Okay, guys, this is another winning pasta that we make today. This is really good. You're gonna make everybody happy at home, your wife, your husband, whoever, you know, your friend, your best friend. You're gonna make them happy because you're gonna make a carbonara, and this is it. This is too good. This is too good. Unbelievable.